This is Brett Mummy with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of the newly released Azimut Magellano 60. Notice this large gangway, power swim platform, see-through transom in the cockpit. Feel like I'm on a much larger vessel. Wraparound seating. This window powers down out of the way. And this door opens up farther as well on the starboard side, making the whole salon open up to the cockpit. Tons of refrigeration, optional dishwasher, microwave convection oven, 4-burner induction cooktop. This TV's on a lift, of course, so it'll power down. What you'll notice is just how much natural light there is in this, even with this port side blind closed. Feel very connected with the outside. Huge side window all the way down to the deck. Forward to the VIP, tons of storage underneath this bed, hanging locker, both port, and a huge one starboard. Third stateroom, double bunks. VIP head, very large shower, almost 7 foot of clearance in there. Additional day head. Then massive master. I'm 6 foot. I've got solid 8 inches of clearance in this whole master stateroom. Master head is huge. Just a massive window back here that opens this room up. Nice marble accents behind the backsplash for the shower. Surrounded all around the sink. Notable on this size flybridge, these stairs are huge, fixed. We would option this to be the synthetic marble most likely, as opposed to the standard teak. Manual sunshade, shower in the hardtop, full wraparound transom seating with storage. Sorts of refrigeration, cooktops. And then massive bow seat interior there. And what you can't see is another forward-facing seat from this angle.